Watson, pass deflected. Pierce. Celtics forced a turnover. Here comes Rondo. Nice pass back to Wilcox.
Celtics pick and roll defense has been active and aggressive. There, Pierce gets a deflection of a C.J. Watson pass. Rondo unselfishly.
Jeremy Lin. Everybody around the league talking about it. Such a feel-good story. Oh, nice pass, Rondo.
Always trying to get your bigs to sprint the floor to put maximum pressure on the defensive transition. Great pass, great catch.
Right. Groin and thigh issues. Brewer misfires. Wilcox tips it. Rondo off to the races again. Rondo back to Wilcox and throws it down.
Play from Rajon Rondo. Deflected again. Active hands from the Celtics.
Alley-oop again.